Welcome to Miss English Channel. I'm Emily. Today, Paul and I are talking about work, jobs, and daily life.
And I'm Paul. Good to see you here. Let me ask you, do you like talking about your job in English?
Many learners feel nervous, but think about it. At a party, in a cafe, or even on the bus, people often ask, "What do you do?"
Exactly. It's one of the most common questions. If you can answer this, you can start a real conversation.
Today, we'll help you talk about your job and work life step by step. Stay with us, and by the end, you'll feel more confident.
And hey, if you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe, like, or leave us a comment. It helps us bring more free English lessons for you.
Let's set the scene. Morning in the city. Coffee shops open, bus doors hiss, and people hurry with laptops in hand.
You are one of them. Someone smiles and asks, "So, what do you do?" That's the moment you need English.
And don't worry, mistakes are normal. The important thing is to answer with confidence. Done is better than perfect.
Let's begin with a simple phrase. Listen carefully. I work as a teacher.
Repeat after me. I work as a teacher. Good. Now change the job. I work as a driver. I work as a nurse.
You can also say, I'm a teacher. This is short and natural. Example, I'm a cook. I'm a student.
Let's make it a mini dialogue. Ready?
Emily, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work as a writer.
See? Just like that, you can start a conversation.
Let's add more detail. People often ask, where do you work?
Example, I work at a hospital. I work at a bank.
If you're not working, you can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm between jobs.
And students, you can say, I study at university. Or, I'm studying English now.
Let's practice again. Emily, where do you work?
I work at a school.
And what do you do there?
I teach English to beginners.
Perfect. Short, simple, clear.
Let's introduce Vocabulary Spotlight. Today's words: workplace, the place where you work. Synonym is office. Example, my workplace is near the station.
Colleague, the people you work with. Synonym is coworker. Example, my colleagues are very friendly.
Schedule, the plan for your time. Synonym is timetable. Example, my schedule is very busy this week.
Task, a small job to do. Synonym is duty. Example, my first task is to check emails.
Manager, the person who leads. Synonym is boss. Example, my manager is kind and helpful.
Great. Repeat these words slowly. Workplace, colleague, schedule, task, manager.
Now let's put them into a mini story.
Meet Jesse. He works at a hotel. His workplace is busy every day.
Jesse's colleagues smile when he arrives. His first task is to welcome guests.
His schedule is full, but he enjoys helping people.
And his manager often says, "Good job, Jesse."
Simple story, but you just heard all 5 words in context.
Let's try an interactive moment. Where do you work? Say it out loud now.
Or if you're a student, say, I study at, and add your school.
Good. Now answer this question. Who is your favorite colleague? Think of one person. Say their name aloud.
Nice! See how easy it feels when you connect English with your own life?
Let's go back to our dialogue practice.
Emily, what's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work at a school in the city.
How do you like it?
I like it very much. My colleagues are friendly. My schedule is sometimes busy, but I enjoy my tasks.
Fantastic. Listeners, now it's your turn. Answer those 3 questions. What's your job? Where do you work? And how do you like it?
Let's add cultural notes. In many countries, people ask, "What do you do?" very quickly, sometimes even in the first conversation.
But in some cultures, this feels too personal. If you don't want to answer, you can say, I'm busy with projects these days.
That's polite and neutral. Remember, you always have a choice in conversation.
And if you're learning English, even a short answer builds confidence, step by step.
Quick motivational reminder. Learning English is not about speed. It's about progress. Even one new word today is success.
Yes, motivation comes after action. When you speak, even with mistakes, you feel stronger.
So keep talking, keep trying, keep smiling.
Before we close this page, let's practice a longer dialogue.
Sure.
Hi, nice to meet you. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I work at a school.
That's great. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. My colleagues are kind and my manager is supportive.
That sounds wonderful.
And you? What do you do?
I work as a writer. I write articles for a website.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. Sometimes my schedule is heavy, but I love creating stories.
Perfect practice.
Let's stop here for today's first half.
Stay with us for part 2. We'll talk about work routines, job stress, and useful phrases you can use every day.
Don't go anywhere. We'll continue in the next page.
Welcome back to Miss English Channel. In part 1, we talked about jobs. Now let's explore daily routines and challenges.
Yes. Think about your morning. The alarm rings, the city wakes up, and you rush to work with coffee in hand.
That's work life. And in English, you can describe it simply. For example, I start work at 9.
Or, I finish at 5. Another example, I have lunch at 12. These short sentences help you share your routine.
Let's try a dialogue. Paul, what time do you start work?
I start at 9. And you, Emily?
I start at 8. And when do you finish?
I finish at 6. Nice and simple.
Here are some common phrases. Repeat after us. I check emails in the morning.
I have meetings with colleagues.
I take a break in the afternoon.
I go home at 6.
Good job. You can change them. I check messages. I take a walk. Connect English with your real life.
Now, let's learn some useful vocabulary. First, shift. Work time, often day or night. Example, I work the night shift.
Next, deadline. The last time to finish something. Example, my deadline is Friday.
Break, a short rest. Example, let's take a break.
Overtime. Work longer than usual. Example, I did overtime last week.
And salary, the money you earn monthly. Example, her salary is good.
Great. Now you can explain your work life more clearly.
Let's put these words into a mini story. Meet Crystal. She works the morning shift at a bakery.
Her deadline is always before noon because customers want fresh bread.
At 10, she takes a short break and enjoys tea with her colleagues.
Sometimes she does overtime, but she feels happy because her salary helps her family.
See? Vocabulary becomes easier when you hear it in a story.
Now, let's talk about challenges. Many people say, my job is stressful.
Stressful means pressure. Example, this week is stressful because of deadlines.
Or they say, my job is tiring. That means it makes you tired.
Let's practice. Emily, how's your job this week?
It's stressful. I have many meetings.
Do you also feel tired?
Yes, but I'm happy because I enjoy teaching.
Time for idioms. First, snowed under, to be very busy. Example, I'm snowed under with work.
Next, burn the midnight oil, to work late. Example, she burned the midnight oil to finish the report.
And learn the ropes, to learn how a new job works. Example, he's still learning the ropes.
Idioms add color to your English. Don't worry if you forget, just practice step by step.
Let's do interactive practice. Repeat after me. I'm snowed under.
I burned the midnight.
Let's practice together. Emily, how's work?
It's going well. I'm busy, but happy.
Great. Listeners, now it's your turn. Say it aloud.
It's going well.
Even a short answer is progress. Speak confidently. Many learners think, I don't know enough words to talk about my job.
But you don't need many words. Even 5 clear sentences are powerful.
Start small. Growth comes 1% each day. The 1% rule.
Yes, say just one new phrase this week and you're already improving.
Let's practice a longer dialogue. Emily, I'll start. Hi, how's work?
It's busy. I'm snowed under with deadlines.
That sounds stressful. Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take a break in the afternoon.
Good idea. What time do you start work?
I start at 8 and finish at 4.
Do you sometimes do overtime?
Yes, but I'm learning the ropes every day.
Let's summarize key phrases. I work as a... I work at...
My job is stressful. I'm snowed under. I do overtime.
I'm learning the ropes. Remember, even one phrase today means progress.
Final thought. English for work is not just grammar. It's confidence and patience.
Every mistake is a step forward. Every phrase builds your future.
So keep speaking, keep practicing, believe in your progress.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe, share, and comment one phrase you'll use this week.
Let's end with a picture. The office lights fade, the streets grow quiet, and you walk home with new words in your mind.
Step by step, word by word, you're building a stronger future. See you next time.